In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We're going to keep this simple and efficient. Start from a Google search, get into Notion, open your calendar, add a new event, and give it a color so it stands out at a glance. I'll share a few clarity tips along the way so your calendar stays clean and useful. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. Look for the official result that leads to the Notion homepage. You'll recognize it by the notion.com address. Click through to open the site. This quick Google route is a reliable way to reach the correct page without memorizing URLs. Once you're on Notion's homepage, select Log In. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's a single sign-on option or your email credentials. If you're part of multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one before moving on, so your event lands where your team expects it. Next, open your calendar in Notion. This is typically a database view in your workspace. If your org or team already has a calendar page, you can access it from your sidebar or by searching for Calendar in the Notion search bar. When the calendar view loads, you're ready to add your item. To create a new event, click the plus icon associated with the date you want. This action opens a new calendar entry. Give your event a clear, concise name that makes sense at a glance. For example, include a short purpose or owner, rather than something vague. If you see fields like date, time, or tags, you can fill them in now to reduce follow-up editing later. The initial title is the most important piece, so make that count. With the event created, it's time to make it visually pop. Find the color option in the Event Details panel and click it. This opens the color picker. Choose a color that matches your personal or team convention, maybe blue for internal work, green for client-facing items, or red for deadlines. Consistent color usage will help you scan your calendar quickly and understand priorities without opening each entry. If you're collaborating, check that everyone aligns on the same palette to avoid confusion. Finally, confirm your changes and close the event panel. You should now see your new item on the calendar in the color you selected. From here, you can drag the event to adjust dates if needed, and your color choice will stay intact. That's it. Search Notion on Google, log in, open your calendar, click the plus icon, name your event, choose color, and pick a hue that works for you.